Um, I think it was a really great reminder of how simply they live here. But I think that's one thing I'll take home. Just a reminder of how simply they eat and live, and really that you don't need much to survive and be happy. But I think the biggest sort of memory that will stick in my mind going home is all those kids learning stretches and remembering them. So getting to test their memories today and how entertaining they found it, but just more so that they'd never done those moves before and they really embraced it. So
Sensational.
Really, really happy with that.
You've worked really hard. Thank you very much.
That's okay. Thanks.
Hey.
It's just been an amazing week. Loved it. Loved seeing all the patients learning I below. What is your name? Aligani, what is your age? Probably even just a couple of hours ago, that singing in the school, that was amazing. I've actually enjoyed everything. Hasn't been a minute, even when we're waiting for planes or anything, that I haven't actually enjoyed. So I was worried I wouldn't have enough to offer, with everyone else being nurses and myself not. But and I've definitely taken away more than I've given. But,
It's been fantastic. I can't believe up here in the hills just how healthy they are and look, and they lead such simple lifestyles, and I think that's really good to take back to Australia, is that everyone's so obsessed with possessions, and up here these guys have got nothing, and yet they're happy and they're healthy. I think they're healthy. A few more eggs and a few more chickens. Apart from that.
And you were here for the bit of the war history as well too. So how'd you feel, Brigade Hill, those places?
Emotional.
Yeah.
But I'd be worse at the other end than here. Thanks, bastard. Make me cry. It's all about crying.
Thanks, heaps, Rob. You've been fantastic. Good fun.
Play.
The serenity. The serenity's been amazing. Everyone's calm, everyone's relaxed. A real recharge. Medically, the clinics were amazing. They're well set up, they're well managed. You know, I don't think we're here to give them any further advice. I think the support was great. Yeah, the trekking team was awesome. We had a lot of fun, and I've just really enjoyed it. Yeah, nothing. It's been a little as expected. The trek's probably better than I expected.
There were lots of memorable moments, but I guess the reason that I came on this trip initially was to give back, to do something philanthropic for, somebody else. And the big thing for me was I didn't know what skills or qualifications or things that I could give back, and I think that I did, and I sort of found within me that I knew more than I thought I did. And I think us as a group have made some little small change, have done something good for somebody, and hopefully we can build on that.
Sensational. Thanks for having you on board. It's been beautiful.
The trek itself was just magnificent. The countryside is just something that you cannot visualise until you're here. So I really enjoyed the trekking. The porters were fabulous, and the way they could communicate to you. The clinics were amazing, especially up here in the highlands with the people. And the children, they make you cry. They're just gorgeous. So overall, the experience has been magnificent. It's something you'll have in your heart forever, and love it. Thank you.
It's been fun having you on board. Really fun.
Yeah,
Okay. Thanks, Ted.
The memorable moments would be the children, I think, and seeing the children and seeing the faces when you play with them, and I think doing the checks and how grateful the people are that you're trying to help them. Tidying up the 8 posts, I hope that is sustainable. I hope that kept up, and every time I suppose when we come back, or when you guys come back, and that can be kept up to speed. So that's my sort of hope, that people here would continue the good work that they're doing, and we manage to help them with it.
It's been great having you on board, and also the way you've been able to communicate with the people has been amazing. And
you try and give them practical things that they can do. There's no point giving them advice that they can't continue. So again, simplicity, I think, and sustainability is the key.
Okay, beautiful. Thank you very much.
Bye. Thanks, Peter.
They were interesting. since the first trip till the third trip now. The nurses and the doctors are very good, helping each other. They taught me some new things, which from them I'll apply to the patients who come into treatment for me. So especially when it comes to clinics, doing the drugs, I found that lots of people are very interested in coming to the treatments from there. They have confidence in me that from there on, what I've been doing with the neurosurgical team, I can apply them so that from there, they should have confidence in me. Like I'm a new graduate and just worked there for 2 years now, and they don't have confidence because I'm working alone without OIC or doctors or anybody there who is with me. But as they come in and go alone, people in the village have confidence in me that they can carry out three beds.
Tell us about your most recent one, the other last Saturday.
Was very, very good. The girls clean up all the hospital staff, and this, we have to put all the leftover medicines in a separate room which looks untidy. And for myself to clean up all this is going to take me a lot of time trying to clean up, and at the other end I won't have enough time to look at the patients coming to the health center. So they've come in, helped me a lot, put everything in order. From now on, when a patient comes in with a certain sickness, I can go straight to the shelf where I will actually pick up, rather than going to box from box and searching for the treatments and all this. But now I'm much happier, more than happy. That they've done a lot for me, and everything's on the shelf for me. All the rooms are clean, in order for every health worker to work in, and I'll probably maintain, not probably, but actually I'll maintain this piece of work that they've done, and probably show to the other groups coming in from in the future, like July trip and all this. Show them around, and I'll say this has been done from the previous group who came in.
Fantastic. It's been great to have you on board once again. Thank you very much. Look forward to it. See you in July.